Okay, you should be able to hear me. You should be able to hear me. Give me 1 second and I'll be right over. I am way too late for this stream. I was planning on streaming like 10 minutes ago. Let me change the scene first. Yo, hello everybody. Hello everybody. You need to give me a couple of minutes to assess because I was planning on streaming way earlier. And yeah, I was very late. I was in uni and I had to come back and I had to rush it. So I'm not actually ready. Thank you so much, Shiba Dog Studios, for following. Yeah, my hair is back. It's too hot to wear any sort of hat actually, and I am sweaty as hell. Like, I don't want to take the public transport, so I go to uni in with my longboard, and it's not like the easiest thing on the on my body. So yeah, I needed to take the ad off. So let me actually close the windows so we don't have the noises from outside. I see Tohid is also saying hi. Yeah, it's eco style and also COVID-free style. it's a mix of both. Hey there, Tohid. For everyone that's in either the YouTube or the Twitch chat, this is the first time that I'm streaming on both platforms at the same time. And yeah, if you see the door open behind me, it's because my cat thinks it's alright to enter without knocking. So yeah, it's the first time I stream on both platforms at the same time. I was not really planning to, but you know what? I accidentally did it. Let me see. I should not be doing it, but you know what? I don't care. It's going well. I think it's working, so everything is alright. So, what is the plan for today? First of all, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing okay and that you're having a good time overall, or the best time possible. I've been very, very overwhelmed by work, mainly university work, and I haven't done anything in a week on the game dev side of things. But you know what? I'm doing well. And I hope you're doing well too. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, the plan for today is pretty simple. We're gonna, first of all, try out... Same, dude. We're all in the same boat here. Do you say that in English? I might sound stupid if you don't say that in English. Yeah, definitely. I hear you. I saw that Shiba Dog Studios has actually streamed a couple of times the last few weeks, and I'm so sorry, but I don't really get the time to tune in. This is the first... I haven't had time to do anything. I have a video in the works about the Twitch chat game that I made that has been like in premiere for weeks now. I haven't even edited it. It's kind of a shame, but it's coming. Today we might start by trying out the game for those that haven't not tried it, or we can start by making a new one. I actually want to make a more automated game that I can play when the stream needs to be starting soon. Like, instead of having just a countdown, Twitch chat, at least the chat has something to do while they wait for the stream to actually start. So yeah, I would say that is what we're gonna do that today, and then we can try out the game if you want to. I see in the YouTube chat Muhammad ZRB is saying hello. Hello, dude. Welcome to the stream. So I hope the volume of my voice and the volume of the music is alright. It kinda looks alright to me in the monitor, but if anyone can actually confirm that for me, or if it's too low or if it's too high, you would do me a favor, a very, very huge favor. Okay. Man, I'm tired. Okay, so what we're gonna do is actually... Oh, I hear someone is following. Tohid is following. Thank you, Tohid. Thank you so much for doing that. And we're actually at 48 followers now. And with 2 more followers, we will actually be able to unlock a few cool things here on Twitch that we might actually integrate with the game. So let me go to the full screen scene. I hope all of you here see the screen. And let's open Unity. Ooh, I do have a lot of stuff open here. So let me close this. Let me close a couple of things. Let me close this. Yeah, I was not ready to to stream today. I'm keeping WhatsApp open on the second monitor in case anyone actually writes to me. Hey there, Rosh! Rosh, yeah, I did cut my hair, and that's the reason why I have been keeping like a hat or a bear hat on in the last few streams and videos. But it's coming back. I actually wanted to have a purple mohawk and to dye it. Yeah, to cut it and dye it and make a purple mohawk, but I asked the wrong friend and she ended up messing up my haircut. I cannot really blame her, it's on me. But I needed to cut it, and now I'm growing it back. I have already bought the dye, so I'm getting the hair to be purple, not just as long as before. How are you doing though? Okay, let's open Unity. Let's open Unity here. I will create a new project. Okay, great. We are gonna go for Universal Render Pipeline, and we're gonna make the game on the desktop, I would say. And at least I got a free haircut. I mean, I cannot complain about that. Yeah, you're totally right. Why purple? In my profile pic is green. Yeah, Communist Doggo says that, and you're right. But I will tell you why the profile pic is green. I don't know how long you have been following me for. I don't remember. Yeah, I remember seeing your name in a couple of videos, early videos, but I don't know if you've seen like the first video here. My hair back in March last year was this color. Like this color, so the profile pic comes from this. But after dyeing it, and let me go to I don't know if I can see my story archive on Instagram, but I had like very bright aqua hair back like last year, well, like 18 months ago. But now I want to change color. Perhaps I will change the color of the avatar too. And what are you saying? So Rush is saying you're great. I'm good. I'm very happy. Glad to hear that. Read that actually. Oh, you spent all Sunday in Park Colombo. That's very cool. So have a good time with your friend, and thank you for popping in. Yeah, I want to come to Park Colombo soon. I really don't have the time to do that, but perhaps we'll even meet there. That would be so cool. Okay. Let's try and create this new project. So everyone, both the Twitch chat and the YouTube chat, I need your help. So I want to make a game that can be played by the chat while the stream is starting. So I do not need to be at the keyboard. I need to be. It can play while I am MFK. What I was thinking is we have 4 platforms, and every turn, 1, 2, or 3 of the platforms actually go down, and if you're standing on that platform, you're gonna like end up in lava or something like that, and you're gonna lose all your points. And on screen there will be like a leaderboard for those that actually make it like through the most turns. And perhaps when we unlock like channel points or something like that, we can award channel points to people, and that would be it. I think that is a pretty simple but also kind of nice idea to have. And in chat, while you wait in chat, you can type in a number like 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're not in the game, you get spawned on the platform. And if you instead are already in the game, you can move to the platform. I think that is an idea that could work. And I don't really need to be at the keyboard to have it work, while the Mario Kart version, the fake Mario Kart that I made, actually needs me to be at the keyboard. Hello Extreme Gaming on YouTube, how are you doing? Thank you for joining in. So I would call this Twitch chat platforms or something like that. What do you think about that idea, guys? I think it can actually work. And we can also see some shader graph work. Okay, why will we wait here? I'll actually go. Okay, you say it's okay, thank you. It's simple, yeah, it's nothing special, but it needs to be simple. Like, it's a chat controlled game, there is gonna be delay. Platformer battle royale, kinda. Ooh, that could be a nice idea. Okay, by the way, for to replace Rush, that would be cool. That would be very cool. Yeah, this week it's gonna be like bad weather. I managed to go to uni on my longboard, and I'm very grateful for that, because I actually was expecting it to rain today too, but it didn't, so I guess it's good. Yeah, let me know. I can go there. I'm not good on the ramps or the bowl. I tried once, I almost killed myself, but I had fun. So yeah, for those that are out of context, this is apparently Rush is in the same city I am in, and he skates, and I pretend I know how to skate. So yeah, that would be fun. I do not really have a stream schedule because at the moment I'm so busy. But as soon as I can, like, get my hands on my own time, like get control of my week, I would probably get a stream schedule. I would try and schedule at least once a week. Okay, so here we are in Unity. For some reason, there is something that Unity needs to do. Unity is never done doing anything. This is so annoying. I know that everyone here who is using Unity knows that. Also, I see Sophie Pazzo is actually asking me, where do I go to uni? You know that. I actually go to Politecnico di Milano, for those that have never heard me speak Italian, which is the engineering university here in Milan. What the hell is up with Unity today? Let me close everything that I'm not using, like Photoshop. I'm not using Photoshop. I'm using the terminal. Okay, are we done? Can I? Okay, let me remove the auto generate for the light maps. Okay, let's remove this. Let's delete the example assets. Let's delete this tutorial info. Let's delete the readme. Unity is always loading something. It's so annoying. Let's create a folder called URP. Let's drop everything but the scenes folder in the URP folder. And let's also, oh my, I'm actually getting pissed off. And let's also remove the simple camera controller script, like from the camera. Yeah, that's a huge difference between a Lambro, Parco Lambro, and a Lambo. Yeah, I do agree. The difference is at least noticeable. Okay, so the first thing we want to do when we make a game with Unity, you could actually use, like, I think sockets or something like that, connect to the relay chat server, and then process all the messages, but that would be very, very, very complex. Luckily, there are some people that already did all the work for us, and I say thank you to those people. We can go, if you look for TwitchLib up on Google, you can go to GitHub. This is the first page, and at this point, just, I guess, download the zip. Let me open here. Let me just have the code here. Let me check actually what I need to import in the project, because I'm not sure we actually need everything. And if I say a lot of actually, yeah, I do agree with you. I abuse of that word a little bit, but you know what? TwitchLib Unity. Okay, we just need a TwitchLib.unity, and it's not here. Let me see where it is. Okay, TwitchLib.unity. We actually just need this. So let's download this. Download the zip. Let me unzip it. And I guess we just need to add here in Unity. I had a folder. I'll call it plugins. Double click, and I'll drag the folder, the TwitchLib folder, into it. Let me check the README. Implementing. Okay. We'll just drop the folder here. I think we're doing that. Oh, you read Lambo. No, Parco Lambro is actually a park. Yeah, Parco Park. I think you could actually see that. So it's a park in Milan where there is a skate park that is pretty cool. It has like one of those pools, like with a bowl. That's very cool. And it's one of the few. There are no many. There's not a lot of skate parks in Milan. There are some, of course, but not like too many. Can I remove this? Let me see if this is just clear. Okay, let me remove this. Perhaps we don't need this. Yeah, the Lambro is a river, but Parco Lambro is actually a park. So, Sophie Bazo. Okay, let me see. Ooh, why are we having problems here? You know what I will do? I will delete all of this, and I will import the same I'm using in the other project. So okay, we should be good with this. What do you mean it's unable to update the following assemblies? Okay, I think we are alright. So what do we need to do to have the game actually work? We need to create at least one script that I will call the Twitch manager, client manager, Twitch chat client. We'll see, like Twitch manager. I'll call it chatbot manager, and I'll add to this. Okay, and this script will actually handle all of the Twitch chat related stuff, and you actually see that it's pretty simple to implement. It's not, oh, so Puzzle is going. By the way, Puzzle, thank you for sticking by. Have a good time. Okay, so Puzzle is actually one of the most frequent viewers of the stream, and I really appreciate her for that. But now she's gone, so she will not hear this. Okay, so I said I would not do any more coding streams, but apparently we're doing that today, so I guess it's good. We need to import a couple of libraries, so using twitchlib.client, using twitchlib.client.events, okay, client.models, sorry, and I think using TwitchLib in general. Okay, I think this is all we need to import. and we need to we'll first of all we'll make a singleton of this class, so public static chatbot manager cvm instance, so that we can reference it from other scripts. Awake instance equals to this. Let's also code like good people. Let's make it private, and let's have a public static chatbot manager instance property to access it. Okay, now that we did this, we need to declare a new field that is a client, basically, and it's the client that is defined in TwitchLib. So I will actually, before I go any further, I will check that I'm doing stuff okay. I'm just controlling that everything is correct here. Okay, I need to twitch it lib.unity. And to reply to Communist Doggo, does it have something so people couldn't pirate my game so easy? What do you mean pirate my game? Like, if people could download my game from the internet easily, or I'm not sure what you mean. Like, any sort of protection, like if people pirate my game, I can make it like not work on their part or something like that. Yeah, I'll wait for you to explain. So what we're gonna do is define a private client. I'll call it client. And in the awake function, well, I'll do it in the start function. We want to initialize it. So basically, client is gonna be a new client, and here we actually need to access our credentials. Basically, if you ever worked with sorry, if you ever worked with anything that needs authorization and needs to log in into a service, into a website, we need like the authorization keys for the game to work. That's usually stored. I'm not gonna show them on screen because that would be very bad, because if I showed you my authorization keys on stream, anyone would be able to actually let me talk in English. Anyone would be able to use my own account, my own chat to do stuff. So what I'll do is I'll create a new folder, scripts. I'll create a new folder inside of here, Twitch chat scripts. I'll move this script here inside of that folder, and I'll create a class that will contain all of my information, all of the secret information that I will not show you. Basically, if you want to use this, you need like an access key for the bot. You need an ID, client ID key for the application, because you need to record like sorry, my English is very bad today. You need to register your application in the Twitch developer console for it to work. So I will just go here. I will give me a moment. I really do not want to spoil this, so the camera. I'll just do this. I'll just drag the secret keys here in my project, and once I do this, you should not be able to see this. Okay, let it reload, and now I can go back to the full screen. Okay, great. So you actually, oh, Bella Pierre. So thank you, thank you for joining in. Thank you, Pierre. But yeah, we're coding today, so I don't know how fun that would be for you. But thank you for joining in, though. Okay, so as you see, I actually added a new class here. It's called Secrets, and I will use that to store my authorization keys. And you can get those authorization keys from many sources. One that I suggest, once you create your account that you're using for the bot, is actually, I will find it for you, twitchtokengeneration.com, generator.com. And I'll show you how it looks like. Basically, you get to decide. Well, let me see. Okay, yeah. So basically, you choose one of the two buttons, then you go log in into Twitch, authorize it, and generate a code, and then you can use that code. Let me also check that I have not spoiled mine, because if I did, I need to change it, and that would be very annoying. Oh no, what am I doing? I'm messing it up so bad. Sorry guys. Let me just check. I did not. Yeah, I managed to show my code, so I hope no one is actually seeing this. I will need to change it after. Okay. I will do that just now. So sorry about that. I was sure I was gonna mess it up. So if you wanna generate a new one, you go to the website, click on the button you wanna use, log in with the account you wanna use for the bot. Then you will get an email from Twitch to actually validate your login, basically. Hello. So okay, so I saw that Communist You sent a huge message, and I will actually read it now. But give me a moment. I need to fix what I've done. And I also see Sai that is saying hello in chat on YouTube. So hello Sai, how you doing? Thank you for joining the stream. We are making, or trying to make at least, a Twitch controlled game. I have done one, but I'm doing a new one that can actually work without me being in front of the screen at times. And I messed it up because I showed my own code that I now need to change. So yeah, I need to remember to change them. When I open the other project now. Oh, that's always the same. Come on, I did not know. I'm messing it up so bad. Okay. We're back, and ready to do some new stuff. Great. So some kid is actually in both chats. Whatever game, you have to add sprinkles. Sprinkles. Why not? Yeah. I'm not sure what you mean by sprinkles. Let me check. Sorry about that. Sprinkles. Sprinkles like the chips, or sprinkles like colored sprinkles? I'm so confused, but yeah, I think I can add that. Of course, it's also a ship on Attack on Titan, but I don't think you actually refer to that. Oh, like this. Okay, yeah, totally. We can do that. We can actually do that. That sounds like fun. And we can use the Unity particle system, because I know that everyone loves it. So, did I show my codes again? Am I that stupid? Am I really this stupid? Okay, guys, we're gonna go through this one more time and no more. I am so dumb. I am so dumb. So, what you need to do to get your authorization tokens is actually go to Twitch tokengenerator.com. Here you hit on both chat token. It lets you log in with Twitch. I will do that. Oh yeah, you cannot see that because now I'm not showing my screen, but it's simple. It's fairly simple. So, also, comrade, I did not forget about you. I am just in the middle of a crisis at the moment. And I also heard that someone followed. Let me log in into Twitch for the bot, and now I'll check. What is happening here? Everything is going wrong today. I am too tired. Okay. Let me check. Thank you so much, some kid, for following the channel. I can do this. I can do this. Yeah, one more, we can hit 50 and we can get affiliate, and I hope we can unlock channel points because that would make games a lot more interesting. Okay, I managed to log into Twitch, and you cannot be like impressed by this, but I'm messing up so bad now that I'm actually happy about this. And also, Side is actually following. Thank you. And now we hit 50. Now we're almost on affiliate. I think that I have to actually. I'm almost done. So we're almost done. I need to stream at least once every day of the week, and then we can have new cool stuff in the stream. Okay, guys, done. We're done. Thank you so much for following. Tony Stark, I see that you're in the YouTube chat. What happened to my hair? Yeah, I managed to fuck up. Sorry for the the word. I managed to screw up my own haircut, so now I'm waiting for it to grow back. Also, let me reply to Communist Dog. It's just an example. I make a game, you put it on Steam for $2, but it's an offline game, so if one person buys it and it uploads your game, some piracy site, everyone could play it for free. I think you can implement something. You can actually implement the Steam API. Like if you have like your Steam game, you can have the game check if you are connected with Steam. I've never done a Steam release. I wanna try though, so we can try together once. But I think you can avoid that with that way. But I don't know how to do that yet. So I'm fairly sure you can do that because a lot of games are made in Unity and a lot of games have anti-piracy methods. So I'll pretend I didn't see that. I will change it later. Okay, we're here. To reply to IKF news, I might do that, but I have really little time, so I will see about that. And to reply to some kid that has actually followed with both accounts, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, now that we're here, we can actually get down and do some stuff. So, now that I did this, in the start method, I can create a credentials, connection credentials object. I'll call it credentials. That will be a new connection credentials, and here I will have to add a bot name, and I will have these as two fields: serialized field, private string, bot name, and host name. The bot name is gonna be the account that actually logs into the chat, and the host name will be the account of which the chat will be like, this will be the name of my bot, and this will be my name for you to log into my chat. And here we need the bot name and the secrets dot bot access token. We need the bot access token that you can get on that site that I showed you. Okay, now we just say this, and we'll say like client dot initialize, and we want to send in the credentials and the channel, and the channel will be the host name. Also, half of the messages on YouTube and half of the messages on Twitch. Just to show you the power. I'm so confused. What is happening? Oh, look on YouTube. Okay, there is something that is going on. Okay. Dude, I also already replied to you. I have no time to make a tutorial on Unity AdMob, but there are plenty of tutorials on that. So I think that if you really need that urgently, you can look for that elsewhere. I'm actually not. I will check about that. I'm not affiliated yet, so I'm safe for now. But I will obviously check that. Thank you for telling me. Actually, let's go on. Okay, now that we actually have our bot initialized, we can subscribe some methods to the events from the bot to actually have them work into the game. So the first thing we're gonna do is client.onChannelJoined, on join channel perhaps. Oh yeah, on join channel event. We wanna subscribe a new method. I will go like just something like this. This actually on join channel arguments, args, and we can define a new inline method like client.sendMessage to the args dot, let's call it e dot channel, and we'll say like, hello everybody. So now basically, if I did everything correctly, and I will check now, I will now check the chat first. What did I do? Does not take one argument. Oh yeah, we also need like object sender, even though we will not use this. If you're not able to build APK from Unity, always say invalid path. I have no idea what that is. Have you tried asking on the Unity forums? Because that might be a number of things. You might actually have some issues with the key, with the assemblies that you're using. There might be a number of reasons. By the way, okay, now we'll say my bot name is not whateep, and I think you can figure out why that is. And my channel name is whateep. So now, if I launch my game, we should be able to see in chat. Did it work? No, it did not work. Why did I? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I see why it did not work. Because we also need to connect. Client.connect. Okay, now it should work. Of course, it does not go right the first time. It's been actually a while, Tony Stark, on YouTube since the last time I built an application for Android. I did like last year, last time, so something might have changed since. Let me see. Yeah, perfect. And if you look at the chat, you will see not whateep is actually following now. And I see we have a new follower. Let me check who that is. Thank you so much to It's May for following the channel. Thank you. Now we are at 52. That's great. That's great. I think that from the from the next time we might be able to implement something cooler into this game. It's kind of sus, yeah, I totally say that. Okay, so we want to try something. Let's do it. How are you doing, Smay? Thank you for joining the channel. Are you It's Me? on YouTube, because the name is weirdly similar, so it would be a very weird coincidence if it was two different people. Okay, so let's create a new folder and let's try and see if you guys can join here. Like materials, and let's create a new material. Yo, it's you. Okay, great. How you doing? Let's create a new material. Let's diminish the fog a little bit because it's very heavy. Okay, I don't like the gray fog, honestly. This is our ground. Let's make it 50 units, well, 500 units large. And now let's create a new cube. 0, 0, 0. And we call it player, something like that. It's not gonna be like proper player. I'm actually just adding a text mesh, 3D object text mesh. Let's import the text mesh pro essentials. And I'm gonna give it the name of the player that joins. So well, I can actually go here. Let's change the color to black since the background is white. Let's make the font a little bit smaller. And let's center it. Let's center it on the player. Let's disable the wrapping. Let's say position. What did I do? Okay, wait. Okay, I'll do this. Can I? Oh. Okay, we'll keep it like this. I need to learn how this works first. Okay, on the player script, we'll say like, I think this is actually alright. Let's call it like name tag here. Name tag. We can make it a prefab. It's not the best practice, but I'm using the get component stuff to test it. So what we can do here is actually say, let's do serialize field, private game object player prefab. I'll add the using TM Pro namespace, and we can do this. Client dot on command received on chat command received. We'll say let's add like a client on chat command received method. Did I? Oh. Client on chat command received method that we're now gonna declare. So private void this, it's gonna take an object sender and on chat command received args called e, and now we'll say like string command equals e dot command dot text, and string username equals to e dot command dot chat message dot username. Now we want to do if command equals to a join, something like that. Let's do instantiate player prefab game object geo equals to instantiate player prefab at vector tree, new vector tree, random dot range, I will say 0, 10, 20, and let's copy this. We'll just spawn an object with the name of quaternion dot, oh wait, I need to close this, dot identity. And then we go text mesh pro t equals to geo dot get component in children text mesh pro dot set text username. Okay, this should be alright. Let me see what people are typing. On load system, I might actually go over the LOD system. Wait. Oh yeah, I cannot do this. Sorry about that. Well, I don't need to actually assign this to anything, honestly. I will probably go over that because I need to implement it on in my game, so I might actually see that. Also, to hit us to go, thank you for joining in and have a good time. Also, for some reason, the 3D text can be see-through objects. Yeah, I'm not using the 3D text communist doggle. I'm using the Text Mesh Pro that I think it's better. When I use the 3D text, it also looks like shit and can be seen through every object, and I don't know why is that. So I'm not using that. I'm using the Text Mesh Pro component. I think that would be better. So some kid says, you and your friend have an idea about a game, but it's really complicated and long, and we want to make it because we are down and you don't know about to code. Yeah, the thing is, a lot of beginners, and I say this every time, but I will never get tired of saying it. You should try and learn a bit of the code. If I can give you some advice on getting started, you should not like start with a specific tutorial. Like not, I want to make this game, so how can I make player go this? How can I make a shop like first thing? No, you should to learn how to code and to use Unity if you want to use Unity, or to use Unreal if you want to use Unreal, or to use Godot. Like take a tutorial series that you can find on YouTube, follow it from start to end, make the game that they are making in the tutorial series, and get to know the coding and the engine. Once you know that, you will find it easier to go on. And if it's very hard, perhaps start with something different. The first game I tried to make was an open world game. I never got to end to finish it because it was too out of my league. It was too overscoped. So yeah. Hey there! There is Blank Tab on YouTube. Hey, how are you doing? If you want to come to Twitch, we're actually trying out the game now. I'm almost at 1.5k. It's super cool. It's super cool, yeah. And I think that if I were uploading last month, I could actually get more followers. Also, Xanawood is in the chat too. How are you doing? I'm actually fine. I've been streaming both on I'm streaming both on Twitch and YouTube at the moment, and it's pretty mad to follow the game, follow the two chats at the same time, but I'm having fun. I'm good. How about you guys? How are you doing? Everyone on Twitch, let's try. Well, let me see. Okay, yeah, okay. Let me fix this. It actually works. I need to add a rigid body component to this. Okay, everyone on Twitch. Wait, you need to see when you see. I stopped the game. Sorry for the delay. It's my fault. It's my fault. Okay, now if you hit the just join command, you should join. Where is it? Oh yeah, some kid, lol. Yo, communist doggo. Hello everyone. Sidek, yeah, it's working. And this is basically all we have to do. Like the integration is done. Now we have to make the game. That's great, guys. Let me read what some kids said. Next year you will change school because you will go to high school, and the subject you choose to learn is programming, and according to the school site there is going to be JavaScript and C++ and HTML. Well, that's cool. I don't know if I would call HTML programming, but it's web development. It's a bit, like HTML is not a programming, it's a markup language, but you will probably be doing some web development, and it's very cool. That's fun. It's frustrating as hell because CSS never works as you intend, but it's also fun because you get to see something beautiful come out. And C++ is gonna be hard. C++ is very... I saw that it's me actually joined and ended up on top of the cube. I will change this now. And C++ is more difficult than what you do with Unity or perhaps even JavaScript, because it's lower level. But I personally think that I've never programmed in C++, but C is very fun, and it gives you much control, much more control over the performance, the use of memory. But if you can program in C, you can program in any language. The only language I would tell you not to program is in Java, because I hate Java. I have been doing Java for my university project. I hate it. It's like C#, but the boring cousin that no one likes. Yeah, Blank, you got your exams. I got a lot of projects because my exams are coming up, and I have 2 projects that I need to finish before those, and it's very, very bad. How are you doing, by the way? Your first one in a month. Yeah, that's cool. Did you already publish it? Because I have not seen it yet. I will check it out later. Yeah, CSS is terrible. I have an age-long conflict with CSS because I can never center stuff. I want to center stuff in the middle of the page, and I can never do that, and it's super frustrating. I need to study some web development. No, some kid. Java is bad. Java is bad. I hate Java. But yeah, everyone has an opinion. If you program in C# and then go back to Java, you will hate Java. If you come from C++ and go to Java, you will probably like it because it's more flexible. But once you do anything else that is not Java and then come back to Java, you will say, what is this shit? Basically. Okay. Let's try and figure out the game. What I want to do is actually have this plate can be a sea of lava, and we can have 4 platforms. Then, if in turns, you will have a timer on top of the screen, like here. When the turn is over and you have sent your message, some of the platforms will lower, and if you are standing on that platform, you will end up in lava. And you're given a point for every time you survive it. It's basically RNG based, but it's a game that needs to be played by chat while the stream is starting or while I'm at the toilet. So it does not need to be the best player experience. Also, you're gonna see the screen with 3 to 4 to 5 to 30 seconds if you are on mobile of delay. So it's gonna be pretty simple. Okay, bye, Santa. We'll see you later. Okay, you're not joking. So it's like playing on a PS4 controller and switching to PS3 controller. Oh yeah, so exactly. I do not have a PlayStation, but I tried it and it's basically the same. Java is so bad, and I'm very pissed about that because I got into programming in general. I used to study ancient Latin and Greek in high school. There's nothing further away from computer programming than that. You cannot get much further away from computer programming than that. I got into programming for Java, for Minecraft, that is written in Java. And I was super excited because, oh yeah, I love it, let's make something with Java. Oh, it's gonna be super cool. Oh, the video is gonna be level 6. Got it. It's gonna be super cool to program in Java. Then I never got to do it, and was like, yeah, I'm gonna learn how to program in Java. And also in my video schedule, I have a video program that is gonna be trying to make a Minecraft mod, because to close the circle, I started with Minecraft. I wanna at least make mod for Minecraft, a simple mod, not anything too big. But now I'm doubting that. I do not wanna have to do with Java ever again. Okay, let's get down to this. The first thing we're gonna do is create some platforms, and I'm gonna gray box this. So let me move the game view here. so that we can see what is happening. 69. Okay, so 0, 0, 0. Also, let's set the camera to okay, and let's set the camera like this, and like this, something like this. Did you notice that it might be like this? Because I might have not set that enough. Okay, let's make the, I would say 16.9, so it's the same ratio of the screen. And let's move it to the side. Let's say this -9, and let's do -8 and 4.5 here. Now we're duplicating it. We're saying -8. Well, let's do +8. And then we're duplicating these and going -4.5. So we now have four platforms. I'm gonna move them a little bit, like just to give it a bit of a random look here. It looks bad. It does not look good. It's probably better if we keep them like 8.2 or 5. Oh, okay, 8.5. Let's do 8.5. It's better if we do like this. What am I thinking at times? -5, 8.5, and -5. -5. Delay test on PC. Oh, so okay. It also depends on where you're from. Like, I see on, if I check my stream manager, it actually has like 3 to 4 seconds of delay, but 10 seconds it's not good. But I suppose it's not even too bad if you compare it with what like the mobile viewers have. On mobile, I notice that it's always like 30 seconds. Also, if I'm streaming like from here. No, please don't tell Microsoft I'm totally ripping up there. Wait, let me do this, let me do this. Okay, now this is a Windows logo. Totally right. And with the Mario Kart ripoff game coming out in the next video, we don't need any chances for more copy strikes actually. Okay, so platform, and now let's create a game manager. Game manager. We're not going fast, we're chilling, I'm chilling. I hope you're all having a good time. But now we get some stuff done. Create manager. Okay. So the game manager is gonna be a singleton, so let's go private static game manager instance. Let's also go public static game manager instance with a capital I, and go return instance. Let's delete these methods that do not have the signature I want. Awake. I can do this. And say instance equals to this. And okay, I'm glad about that, Sandalwood. I do have to recognize that your choice of saying I'm gonna take a break from videos. If you guys don't know, go follow Xanderwood. He makes 3 videos a week. Go also follow Blank Dev. I will not plug just one of the guys. But Xanderwood actually makes 3 videos a week, and that's crazy. Like, we're all there, like, admiring his dedication to it. But he's taking a break now, so I guess that's only right for him to take a break, and I do support that decision a lot. So have a good time, take a break, enjoy your break. Thank you, Beep Love. Thank you. Yeah, I'm actually waiting for my hair to grow back. I appreciate that message. I'm not happy with my haircut at the moment. Okay. Yeah, Xander 3 a week, blank and whateep, right? One every couple of months. Okay, so what we want to do is, first thing first, create a new class. I will create it here, public class, and I will call it player. Okay, yeah. Let's make it system.serializable. And the player will have... Do we need a class? Oh yeah. Okay, so string, username, private string username, private integer, private integer, and let's say score. And let's also say private transform. Do I really need this? I'm not using a class. I'm probably not using a class. I'll keep it there and not delete it if I ever change my mind, but I'd probably go private dictionary string int player scores and private dictionary string transform player transforms. Yeah, I think this is gonna be way easier. In start, we're gonna say that player scores is a new dictionary of with key and value string and int. Player transforms is gonna be a new dictionary like that. And what we wanna do is also add serialized field, private. I will now check the chat. Give me a minute to write some code here, or we're not doing anything. Player prefab, and we're moving the player prefab here. Player prefab. So let's spawn. Oh yeah, I'm deleting this, and I'll add a component on the player. Let's go private void. I go private bool. And I'll go public bool. Okay, now I will tell you what I'm doing. Spawn player, and this method will take a string name for the player. So we're now trying to spawn the player, and what we'll do here, instead of simply spawning the game object from the Twitch manager, we're gonna go game manager dot instance dot spawn player, and we'll pass in the username, and we say if this works. Well, if this doesn't work, I will tell you in chat that you cannot join, because basically it will mean that you are already in the game. So client dot send message, and I will say e dot command dot chat message dot channel, and I'll go with a format string, so $, quotes, sorry, and we say username, and I also add a mat so that you can see it. You can't join twice. So now we'll try that again. So be ready on Twitch, because now we'll try that again. Here, all we have to do here is go game object, geo is equal to instantiate player prefab, vector new vector3, and we'll go. Also, I see that some messages on the YouTube chat. I will get to that. Random.range, let's say 25 this time, 20, and I'm copying this. And let's also go quaternion.identity, and let's say GameObject.get component text mesh pro, and I need to add the namespace using tmpro. So add get component text mesh pro dot set text name and return true. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is go like if player transforms, I go like player scores, let's do this, dot contains key name, return false. And here we'll go, after we spawn the player, we'll add the player to both dictionaries. So player scores dot add name 0, because you are gonna start with 0 points, and also player transforms dot add name geo dot transform. Okay, so now it should actually work. So let's try it, and then I'll get to the messages. So for those in the Twitch chat, be ready, because now we'll need your help. Wait, some kid, wait. I will let you go to your homework, but first, help me try this. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, sorry, I did not add the prefab. I forgot to add the prefab. Game manager. Be here. Okay, now we'll be ready. It's working. Okay, join. You are joining. We're not setting the name. I forgot to set the name probably. But try to join again. It should. Oh, why is it not working? Oh. Oh, I understand. I see why. I am bad. Gotta get a component in children. Okay, now it should work. Okay, thank you for sticking by, some kid. Have a good time and good luck with your homework, I guess. And thank you for following, by the way, with both channels. Yeah, it should work now. It's called whateep, so the text is actually getting set now. And if I join again, yeah, it's working, great. So let me see what people are saying in chat. Just to put in the hours, just on making videos. Dude, you gotta go, so you probably will not hear this. But if you put in the work, it's good. Like, videos take time to edit. Like, I often take more time editing the video than actually making the content for the video. Yeah, and if you try and join again Communist Doggo, I think you should not be able to. So at this point, we need to decide on which platform to join the players. I would say a random platform should be good. The thing is that if players are joining when the game, well, they might. Do we care about giving them an extra point for nothing? I think not. So we'll just give them an extra point for nothing. Okay, so let's actually make a player component. Player controller, something like that. Player controller. And we'll say here, serialized field, private name, using TM Pro. We'll also say serialized field. Oh yeah, we need a string here. String private. By the way, Blank Dev, if you're still in the chat, is your video gonna be on the, well, it's actually coming out in 10 minutes, I think. Is your video gonna be about the Bang Bang game? I loved your I guess your segment in that video. It was probably one of the most fun. Good job on that one. Good job. Private text mesh pro. Text mesh pro. Hey there, Kubio! Watermelon, you know the drill. I will show you. If you have only 5 minutes, let me name tag. Let me add this. I will not show you like the keys, but this is actually all you need to do with TwitchLib to connect your game to your Twitch library with your Twitch chat. So doing it on stream is bad if you do it like me, because I've been like showing my credentials like 3 times I think during the stream. But if you have your keys saved in a class here, you can just import the TwitchLib library into your project, and then just instantiate the client, subscribe to the events, and then react to the commands. So honestly, it's not even that hard work. I guess you can connect to the relay chat and with like proper protocols, but like you can handwrite it all yourself. But I'm not sure that's like the most convenient way for you to do that. I really suggest you try out TwitchLib. It's actually pretty fun to play with. Thank you, that was such a real experience. The video today is in Badzia. Oh, nice. And how about the other game you're making? I don't wanna sound too bad. Like, I know you have your stuff to do, but if you end up making that game, hit me up so we can go on with that thing. Okay, private void and public void. Set name, string name. I'm gonna go like name equals name, this dot name equals name, and name tag dot set text name. Well, you didn't expect you to show it right now, dude. It's like this. It's not much. I'm showing it in the video too, but don't worry. Absolutely. I will link you a tutorial guide that I found in the GitHub repository of TwitchLib that shows you how to implement TwitchLib into your game. It's pretty cool. It is very well done. So yeah, nice. Good thing, blank. Okay, I will not spoil anything about what I'm talking about with the blank dev. Also, for those on Twitch, there is a YouTube chat also going, and so if you don't see all the messages, that's why. But I think it's gonna come out a pretty fun video from that. Okay. So now we're actually instantiating like player controller p equals to geo.getComponent player controller p dot set name. I'm actually gonna call this like initialize init, and I'm gonna call the subscribing from here. Am I? No, I don't think so. Let's do it like this. Now let's go with, let's have in the game manager class serialize field private box collider, I guess, spawn areas. So we're gonna take like define some areas for the characters to spawn, and then we're taking a random point inside of that collider and spawning the player there. And you have to go now, dude. Oh yeah, you got your premiere to watch. We'll be back right after. Thank you. I'll try not to break Twitch, and I'll be watching your video just after this Twitch is over. So now I'm actually gonna decide what I'm gonna do. Now we can add here serialized field. I'm marking these all as serialized field because I want to see them in the inspector. Private, I guess int score. I'm setting everything in player controller. Header, or not. I'm not setting everything in player controller. Header, components. And here, let's go header, data. Hey there! Oh, that name is long. Damn Danger Gaming. Hey, that was not that hard. I hope the pronunciation is correct. I'm making this stream that actually goes over. It's not as convenient as a video, but it's actually pretty. Yeah, you can watch it. You can skip the parts that you do not care about. But everything that you need to see about how to implement it is here. Like everything is here. And I'm doing a video on the game I made, so there will be something there, but it's it's way simpler than you would expect it to be. Okay, so now we're actually setting this as player controller. Player controller, let's go here. And let's go P. What I want to do is have these like this, and also another one, platform areas. And I'm also header level. I'm also adding serialized field, private, float, platform height. Do I need it though? I'm not sure. You know what? I'm actually gonna move these together, so I don't need to worry about that. I'm gonna set these as 8, 4.5, and then I'm moving this like this, and like this. Let's give them some new colors. Create material, plat 1, and the first platform is gonna be a purplish gray, like this. The second platform is gonna be a bluish gray, I guess. We're probably gonna change them later, but the third platform is gonna be a cyan gray and greenish gray. And the fourth platform is gonna be a more greenish gray. Yeah, these look bad, but we're gonna change them later probably. We're gonna change the graphics altogether. Lower the smoothness. Okay, and also let's make this lava, which means changing the color to something like orange. Yeah, I think this works for now. It's not the best, but for the moment this might work. Okay, so let's now go to Visual Studio here. Spawn height, let's go spawn height. Let's say platform areas, let's go here and assign the colliders. So what I want to do, these are gonna be the platform areas. Also, I need spawn height and let me check platform. Yeah, platform height. Now, let's go to the game manager. Let's go to the game manager. And let's assign, like, give me a moment, please. Give me a moment. I'll be right back. No, I need to change this. Give me a second. Be right back label. Let's go BRB. Okay, I'll be right back. Give me a second, please. Okay, I'm right back. Sorry about that. Okay, so the platform areas are gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Are gonna be the four platforms like this. And for all of them, we're gonna add another box collider. We're gonna set them as trigger, and we're gonna raise them like this. So we're gonna take the bounds of these colliders and spawn the characters, the players, within the bounds of one of the colliders. I guess I do not need any other colliders. I can just use the ones I already have. Okay, so let me move this so that we don't have the adder 2 times. Serialize field, private, float, platform height. Okay, so when we spawn a player, we want to get vector tree, position. It's gonna be like get random spawn point, and we're gonna say private vector tree get random spawn point. Okay, in here we need to have, I guess we need to remove this. Hey there, Thomas! Eserciti più più. Bello più più. Giustamente un po' di C-sharp. I'm replying to YouTube chat for those on Twitch, because I know I cannot get the YouTube chat to show up in on the video. Like, the Twitch chat is very simple with Streamlabs, but the YouTube chat is more complex. Okay, so now we actually want to refer to the transformers. So I guess we can have a new public. Let's go public class a platform, and this is gonna have like, I guess an index. I guess it's gonna have other, no, sorry, serialize field, private int. Do we need an index? I don't know. Index, ID. Let's go ID. Also, hi, Shivansh Tiwari. Shivansh. Sorry, I hope I do not butcher your pronunciation. Shivansh. I will stick to Shivansh. Hello there. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. And here we are gonna go for an ID. I will resume. Also on Twitch, you wishlisted Carston. Good job. Thank you. That was really cool. Hi to you also on Twitch. And let me do this. What do we want to do? Okay, so serialize field, private. Do I want to make a component for it? Probably, yeah. Let's go and make a component. I think I know the meaning of your name. Yeah, totally. Platform. Good job. Okay, so box collider, and we're gonna also say here required component type of box collider. Oh, I cannot type. Private box collider box, and let's give the platform the method. So public vector tree get random point on platform, and let's say like bool custom height and float, and let's say float change. Let's do like this. We have two methods, one with this and one with another signature. Public vector tree get, let me copy the name, get random points on platform, float the height. I hear that I wishlisted Carlstone on Steam is now following. My mails are popping out. Thank you for following. So what is the kind of game we are working in? Yeah, let me finish this one line of code here, and I will explain. Position point, let's call it point, equals get random point of platform, and let's say point dot y is equals to height, and let's return the point. I guess, yeah. So I made also another follower. This is great, thank you. Magical Jester 70, thank you for following. So I made, and if you follow the community posts on YouTube, or if you are on the Discord, you might have seen that I made a Twitch-controlled racing game ripping off Mario Kart, probably. Yeah, I hope I can get the video out before my birthday. I doubt that though. And the thing with that game is that it's pretty fun. I love playing it with chat, but the problem is that I need to be at the keyboard. I need to control it, to change the cameras and everything. I want to make something very simple that can go on without me being at the keyboard. So basically, you will be able to join in, and you will spawn on one of these 4 platforms, and every now and then, like every 30 seconds to a minute, one of these platforms will actually 1 to 3 of these platforms will actually go down, and if you're standing on the platform, you will like drown in lava or something like that, and you will lose your points, and you will get more points for the longer you manage to stay alive. And you can join by typing into the chat, and you will be able, like, if I go 1, I will go to this platform here. If I go 2, I will go to this platform here. If I go 3, and you know the drill. That's the thing. Oh, my birthday is actually on Thursday. It's in 2 days, 29th of April. Thank you for asking. So we're now making the platforms. So box, I guess vector tree min is gonna be box dot. We can do this on start with private vector tree min max is gonna be like start min is equal to box dot bounds dot min. Max is gonna be box dot bounds dot max, and then we get also like center, and center is gonna be box dot center. Now is this in local space or word space? always equal to center minus extends. Object local space. Okay. Okay, so okay, wait, you're typing something. We'll finish the game today. If I'm not finishing today, I'll probably finish it later this week. I'll probably go on for 50 minutes more. I will go on for another 50 minutes. We'll get to 8 p.m. and then I'll stop. So I hope I can get it working, like the basics, in this time, but I'm not sure. I'm probably finishing this week, and the stream late after, we're gonna have it working. So when the stream is starting or I'm on a break, you can play it. Some games, game takes more than 1 day. This is very simple, so it might take a bit more. Am I a student? Yeah, I am a university student, so that's the reason I I barely have any time. So if this is in the local space, we don't need that. We don't need the center. We can go like float x is gonna be like random dot range min dot x max dot x. We're gonna do this for the y and the z. Y and z. Oh, what? Oh, come on. And now we're gonna say return transform dot position. Can I change? It's in local space. The center is in the center. So yeah, transform dot position plus new vector 3 x, y, and z. And this should be able to give us a point on the platform. And I'm gonna actually say that the y is gonna be max.y, so that it's on top. Now let's try this. We can have someone spawn. I can have private platform, and I say it's a list because it's easier to work with list. Platforms, and on start we'll say that platforms is gonna be equal to find objects of type platform, and I'm gonna import the using system.linearQuery namespace and go to list. Okay, now we can get a random one. So I guess get random spawn point is gonna be int index is gonna be random dot range 0 platforms dot length count. And now we'll say return platforms at index dot get random point on platform. We can have like private platform, random platform. Let's do it like this, random platform, and let's say platforms dot random dot range 0 platforms dot count. Let's do it like this, it's a bit better, so we can not avoid like overriding that. And it's gonna be random platform dot get random point on platform at height 25, something like this. And now this is gonna go away and we'll say position. I think we're good. Let me see. Why did this not add it? Remove components. Platform. Why is there no Oh, what kind of stupid error did I make? Okay, this is an old error. No overload format. Oh, 25F. Why is there an issue with this? No overload method takes one argument. Get random point on platform. Oh, there is two gets here. Okay, sorry about that. This is a stupid error. But at least we got to do some debugging. It's always fun to debug. Hey there, Titan! How are you doing? Yeah, I was very focused. I will reply to I wishlisted Carton on Steam, but first thing first, the songs are very cool. They are from Streambeats. That is a service that provides free songs for streamers, and it's very cool. And what is the GitHub students pack? Like, have free GitHub Pro? Because if that is it, I already got it because my university gives me access to that. How are you doing, Titan? Okay, it should work now, I think. For everyone in the Twitch chat, let's try and join. Let me see if this is working. Okay, wait, do not do that. Oh yeah, we need to do box equals get component box collider. Okay. And I'll do this in awake since I'm getting them on start. Okay. I should have fixed the problem. Let's try now. Okay. Let's join. The name tags are not spawning in. Okay, so we have a couple of problems. The name tags are not spawning in because I forgot to add player controller. Oh, it has the player controller, but I did not reference the name tag. So now the names should be working. The thing I did not get though is why would they spawn outside of this? It does not make any sense. Are they centered? Let me go like global, local. It should be working. Am I missing something? Well, it's working. If you want to try again, we should have the names now. Let me try again. Let me see if there is a pattern to join. If you see the not whateep vote in chat, yeah. Okay, so I'm always spawning a little bit outside of the box. Okay, you are spawning also outside of the box. Why is this? Let me go and do some debugging. Let's go game manager. Let's make it like body int index equals to this equals to this index return. But first of all, let's go debug.log randomly picked platform number index, and here I will say I will say vector tree offset equals to this. And I will say debug.log offset. Okay, let's try it again. There must be something that I'm missing about the min-max points for the box collider. Let me try and join. So, oh, this time it actually worked. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. And that is that the size is gonna be 1. I'm using the collider. Or am I? Let's change our approach to this. And oh, sorry, Magical Jester, I had already stopped it, but now we are actually fixing this. So let's go like this, and go like private serialize field, private float surface height, and I'll say to 0.5 because that's what we're using. We do not need this anymore at this point. Float private float min y scale y scale x. We do not need this actually. Let's remove it. And this is gonna be like float as x is gonna be transform dot local scale dot x. Float as y is gonna be transform dot local scale dot y, and we're gonna go times 0.5 f. Oh wait, wait. Okay, and let's go like sx, and let's go surface height here. Negative sy, sy. Okay. Oh, this is random range. Okay, it should work now. If I got everything correctly, it should work now. Because at this point, since I'm scaling this in local space, the points are always gonna be 1, and it's probably that is what is messing it up. So if I try to join now, oh yeah, I'm right on top of that. If you wanna try to join too, we'll see where you end up. And while we do that, let me go to the player clone and change the color to white at this point. And also add an outline like this. Okay. So, with this is done. Now we need to choose. We need to add two. First thing first that we need to do is actually get a create a new enumeration. So public enum game phase, and we'll go like platform choice. Should we? Do you think? Oh wait, by the way, game creator coder. Sorry, I missed your message on YouTube. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Do you think we should allow the players to move while the platform is going down, or should we like give them time to choose their platform, and after that we're gonna decide whether they are going to actually leave or not? Like, am I gonna have it continue, or am I stopping them? I'm not sure. So the first thing I need to do is actually add here. I hate my email app that keeps on opening. Serialize field, private, bool, alive. Alive equals true. I will say it here too. Equals true. So we might, I might actually, yeah, I will do it. I will have the game phase like platform lower. So let's go with sudden that, sudden that. But we are having the players move when they want. So now what we need to do is create some coroutines for we're doing it in update probably. Yeah, let's go update, and in update we're actually creating a new like turn update, private void turn update. And in turn update, well, let's call turn update from update. Let's go here, header, turn, serialize field, private, float, input time, and we'll say like 45 seconds. I think it's enough. Serialize field, private, float, turn timer, and that's gonna be 0. Well, that's not gonna be anything, but in start we're gonna say turn timer equals to input time. In update, what we're gonna do is actually and also we're gonna set serialize field, private, phase, game phase equals to input, platform choice, I would say. Let's say here too, phase is equal to platform choice. And what we're gonna do here is while the turn timer is greater or equal than 0, greater to or greater than or equal to 0, what we're gonna do is turn timer is let's subtract the time dot data time. No, this is not a while, this is an if. Sorry about that. Now that we're gonna do this, let's go else, if anything else, and we're gonna set the phase to game phase of platform choice. Here we're setting the phase to equals to game phase, that's sudden death, and we are starting the coroutine. We're starting the coroutine like lower platforms. That you will not see because I not declared yet, but now let's go private enumerator lower platforms. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is actually import using system. I'm actually gonna say public event action on I don't know. No, I'm not gonna do this right now. I'm not gonna do this yet. So what we want to do here is also have a platform lowering time. And it's gonna be like 5 seconds. Okay. So basically, if our players, so let's go. Let's go to the Twitch. Well, no, who cares about that? Let's say private float starting height and serialize field private. I'm gonna do this later, and I'm saying here I'm gonna say public vector tree lower, sorry, public void lower float target height. Okay, public void raise, and these are gonna be calling to coroutines. So private enumerator raise coroutine, and it's also gonna take time. So float time. Yeah, duration, let's call it duration. On start, we're gonna say starting height is equals to transform.y, and in the raise coroutine, we're gonna say float duration, and we're gonna say this. Start coroutine, raise coroutine, and we're also gonna stop all the coroutines. Stop all coroutines, and we're gonna go here, lower coroutine, private enumerator lower coroutine. Float target height, float duration, and here we're gonna say target height duration. Here we're gonna say target duration. And we're basically gonna write the same method twice, but let's say float progress elapsed. Let's say elapsed equals to 0, while elapsed is lesser than duration. Let's say that float starting height is equal to transform dot y float, and also vector 3 dot transform pos is equal to transform dot position. So float, so pos dot y is gonna be equal to whateep dot lerp, and we're gonna go from starting height to, I call it this dot starting height, and we're gonna use elapsed over duration. At this point, we're gonna say transform dot position is equal to pos, and we're gonna go elapsed plus equals to time dot delta time, and return yield return new wait for seconds elapsed. Lower is gonna be similar to transform dot position dot y. And here, last thing we do is actually go like this and say 1, and we're gonna say 1 here. Now, raise is gonna be very similar to this. What is changing is that the starting height is gonna be this. Well, we're not gonna need this. We're gonna need starting height and target height, and we're actually done. It's actually the same. I guess we can have. No, we can make one method out of these two, but honestly, I'm not bothering with that right now. What we can do now is say transform dot position dot y here is get the unsafe platforms. So at the beginning of every turn, we're gonna take the safe platforms, and when the turn is not going to, so let's go like this. Private list integer, and it's gonna be like unsafe platforms. Unsafe platforms, it's gonna be a new list, and let's also go with private. Let's go here. Private get void, I'd say get unsafe platforms, and also a private void get random safe platforms. Hey Thailand, welcome back. We're almost, I think we're almost done. I think, oh, you just had dinner? I think I'm having dinner in like at 8 p.m, 8:30 p.m, but in fact I still have 20 minutes to go, and then I would close this. How was your dinner? What did you have? So get on safe platforms, I'd say random dot int is gonna be count, it's gonna be a Unity engine dot random dot range 0, 3, 0 to platforms dot count -1. Now we'll say while on safe platforms I will say list int indexes equals to new list. Well, let's say we're gonna do platforms dot convert all, and here I will say p goes to p dot. Can I do this? I don't think so. Platforms dot index of p. I think this can work. Can convert all to int. Okay, this might work. This might work. And then we're gonna go for unsafe platforms. Unsafe platforms dot clear, and then unsafe platforms dot for int I equals to 0, I less than count. Oh, you had some fries and some fish, Crocodile Delphinus. Oh, I remember them. I think I remember. I have not ate any meat or fish in 2 years now. Like Friday, no, Thursday will be 2 years that I've been vegetarian, but I remember that. It's actually one of the only ways I would eat fish, because I'm not a huge fan of that. The game is going pretty well. We're almost at the point where it's playable, and then we'll try it. Or yeah, I guess whoever will be here will try it, if you want to try it. I'm a vegetarian. Yeah, I became vegetarian in 2019 on my birthday. And yeah, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal, honestly. It's I don't get me wrong. I love meat, especially hamburgers and hot dogs and that kind of stuff, or pizza with pepperoni. Well, del diavola. Lo dico in italiano che tanto. But yeah, it's not a big of a deal. Okay, so let's go and say unsafe platforms dot add indexes dot remove. Oh wait, can I? Okay, int e, let's say j vale unity engine dot random dot range 0 unsafe platforms dot count, and say int p is equal to indexes. I'm sure there is a better way to do this, but who cares? P, let's go for indexes dot remove j and add p. Okay, now that we added this, we can get safe platforms, get random safe platforms. So to do this, let's go for each var p in platforms. No, wait, let's for int I equals to 0, I less than platforms dot count, I plus plus. If I not if unsafe platforms does not contains I, then return platforms dot I, and that will go like this. Oh, let me do this. platform. And here I will return null. Okay. So you don't mind vegetarian people, but you don't understand vegan ones. I understand and I respect them because it's too much of a hustle, but honestly, I would not be able to be a vegan either. Like, I depend too much on eggs and cheese to be a vegan. And already being a vegetarian, you need to worry about what you eat. Like, oh yeah, I cannot eat that, so, huh? But being a vegan implies like to be more aware of what you eat. And there is a point where my goodwill and dedication actually stops. Like, if I need to check my biscuit, I would not be able to drink milk. I drink milk every morning. Yeah, I depend on that. My protein assumption depend on that. So yeah. I don't like the returns, no. Doesn't matter, I guess. Doesn't matter, I guess. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is actually go for, when the game is in sudden death, we'll go for, let's go 3 seconds, let's go for 5 seconds, it's alright. Let's go for each var I in unsafe platforms. But let's get unsafe platforms. For each y in unsafe platforms, let's go and say platforms.i.lower, and let's say, what do you call it? Platform lowering time, and I guess I also get a serialized field private float lower height. Milk gang, of course. You can say that, and let's say -5. Yeah, I honestly depend on milk too much at the moment, so yeah. Yield, return, new, wait for seconds, and I'll say platform lowering time times 1.5f, and then we'll say, okay, wait, raise, and we'll wait again. Okay, now when this is over, I guess that we'll go for each var p in player transforms dot values, we'll say respawn player. Oh, let's go respawn player. Public void respawn. No, I do this. Public void respawn. Vector 3 position. Okay, respawn. Hey there, Scaffolds! How you doing? I'm doing fine, thank you. I'm trying to make a Twitch chat controlled game. I'm going very slow because I'm talking a lot, but it's going well. How about you? Sorry, I have not had the time to watch your latest video yet, but how did the release of Project Taring go? Let me know. That's very cool that you actually did that. Good job. Well, good job. I think you don't need my validation, but I respect that, honestly. Republic Void respawn. Also, hello Links of Undine 477 in the YouTube chat. How you doing? How you doing? Having to follow two chats at the same time is very difficult for my brain, but I think I'm doing a good enough work. Transform dot position goes to equals to position. I'll say alive equals to true, and give me a second. Yeah, you cannot join yet because the game is not running, but when it will be running, you should be able to join. Give me a second and I turn on my light because it's starting to hurt my eyes a little bit. It went pretty well. Got some great comments, a lot of feedback. Yeah, that's cool. Good job, dude. I actually admire you for that. I need to work on my game to to how you say that, and release it. I need to get something to do. Oh, thank you, Links. Also, if you're in YouTube, you cannot try what we are making. So yeah. And I will also say public void on trigger enter. Let's say if other .game object .tag compare tag is equals to lava. Let's say alive is equals to false. Okay. Now it did this. Alive is equals to false. We need to get the here I need to do like if let's do public. I am tired of writing proper code. Let's do public. If not p dot alive player scores Hey Links, you have switched to Twitch. That's great. Also, Titan is switching to YouTube. Okay, okay. How you doing, dude? Sorry, I'm a bit concentrated on this. I hope I can get it. I have 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't think we'll get to a point where we can play this, but player scores .p.name. Oh wait. Player username. That's all. Username equals to 0. Equals to 0. And p dot respawn get random safe platform dot get random get random point on platform. And let's say, what did I say first? 25 that. What is the problem with this? Does not exist. Oh yeah, I changed the name, so I need to change it there too. Else, player scores, p.username, ++. Okay. So now, let's say that turn timer is equals to time platform choice. How did I call that? Input time, and phase, game phase. Phase is equal to platform choice. Might it be alright? Let's see. I think that we're gonna have a couple of errors here. Oh, the emoji panel, yeah. I implemented that. I don't even notice it because, of course, I do not look at the screen while I'm doing this, but it's pretty fun, honestly. Okay, so let's go like this. I'm actually gonna create a double. Let me do like this. 10 by 10. 10 by 10. Okay, so this is lava no collider, and this lava collider. Let's remove the collider from here, and let's set the tag to lava. So here is this is gonna have the lava collider, and we can say that the player is actually gonna have another box collider that's gonna be slightly larger, like that. Yeah, I guess this is alright. What's the game, by the way? You can type join and join in the, I don't know what that is, black. Oh, vertex color. Okay. You will be able to join in using the !join command, and then typing 1 to 4, you will be able to select one of the platforms and wait for it to, and then they will randomly lower, and if you are standing on the platforms that lowers, you end up in lava and you will die, basically. We need to do one thing. Let's try this. Let me try and run this. Okay, you should have 45 seconds to join. Let me see where I end up. I end up there. If you want to join, you can try that. I hope you can see here the timer. It's here in the corner. I'm gonna check on my player. Oh, we have another. Links of Undine. You cannot move yet. But now we'll see what the platforms that will lower will be. I will tell you now, scaffolds. Wait a minute. Did it work? Or did I mess up something? I kind of messed up something, I think, why are they not lowering? They should going down. Oh. So this is actually was kind of moving, but it did not lower. Why is that? Yo, Desnes, thank you for joining. Thank you for raiding. It's kind of kind of a bummer because I am in like 10 to 15 minutes I'm probably ending the stream, but wow, that's so cool. Thank you guys for joining. We're making a new Twitch chat controlled game. I'm actually in a moment in which I am kind of confused why it's not working, but we'll figure it out now. How did your stream go? Yeah, I'll be ready next person. How did your stream go? What did you do? Were you playing Detective Pikachu? Oh, that was awesome. Great, nice, I'm happy about that. So, let's see, the game manager. Okay, it's actually ending again. Yeah, you see, some platforms are moving. Let me go here. Let me go serialized field. Okay, so I will lower the input time here to 5 seconds, 10 to 5 seconds, yeah. And we'll see. Detective Pikachu, yeah, great. Let me try this. Oh, I see. Okay, I see what the problem is. Is that here, else, and turn phase. And phase equals to game phase dot platform choice, and here I am saying else if phase equals to game phase dot sudden death. Well, I can remove this, I don't care about this. Okay, now platform choice here. Now it should work, kind of. I am not sure what I have implemented and what I have not implemented. I might have to set the trigger, the collider on the player to be a trigger. Oh, I did not do, okay, wait, it's this one. Let me send a message to my family to actually tell. Give me a second. Okay, so what's the command to change platform? We do not have that yet. That kind of, it was kind of like that, like, ciao mama, sono a casa, non rompere solos. When I came back home. The command to change platforms is not there yet, but we get that now. Once we get this working, and I think it should work now. I think it should work now. But once that's working, we're alright, and we can implement that, and I guess that's gonna be pretty easy. So now, yeah, look at that, the platforms are lowering, way slower than I would have expected them to, but I should have added some debug.logs. But yeah, at some point that will start going back up. Let me see what's happening. Okay, it kinda works. Get on safe platforms. It's clear again. Why is that? Oh yeah, because it should go lower. Yeah, but it should also probably go a lot, like -10. Let's go like this. Platform lowering time, I'll go for time 0.5f, so it goes faster. The platform should be working, honestly. Oh, I know why it's not working. I know it's not working correctly because I'm a dumbass. Okay, okay. And now this is so let's go debug.log lowering platforms. Now let's go here, raising platforms. And here I need to add this again. I need to add this again. I'll remove this from here. I'll remove this from here. And here I'll say platforms raised. Sorry, scaffolds, if you're still there, I will tell you that on my stream I do not get many analytics at the moment. My record of concurrent viewers has been on YouTube it's been 15, I think, at the same time. Today it's been 6, but it was not planned. Like, I need to plan the stream. I kind of went live like, yo guys, I'm gonna go live later today. So yeah. And here is more consistent. Like, it gets lesser. It's more stable. Let's say it like that. Okay, let me also say, well, we'll see that. Okay, it should work now. It should work now. It's the third time I say this, but also I think I'm making it go lower now, so we'll see. Let me see. 0. Okay, just 0, and it's coming back up. Why? And most importantly, why is it not starting back? Oh, platform choice, but okay. And it still got the 0 one. So it's hello, not whateep. Yeah, not whateep is the bot behind the game. I think you figured that, but yeah. Why is it always getting like this? Get unsafe platforms should clear it first and then add some new. New list of integers, and let's say for int e equals 0, e lesser than platforms dot count, e plus plus indexes dot add e. Oh, I see. Indexes dot count here. Okay, so that's all right. Now let's go to the platform and see why it raises so fast. While elapsed is lesser than duration, we increase it by time.delta time. In Game Manager, here we actually raise. Oh, I'm so bad. Okay. This should go here. And this should not be here. Okay, let's try again. I think the music, it's the second time we go through this playlist, but let's see. It's pretty cool, honestly. Okay, so now it's 4. If you go to the console, they lower very fast, but they're not coming back up. Now when it will say raising platforms, they are coming very fast. They're coming up very fast. But let's go like this. Let's go like this and see. Oh, why are they coming back up immediately? I must have missed something. Here in the race car routine, let's go. Let's call it start. And let's say, oh, lower. I'm bad. Okay. Here, this needs to be target height. Okay, I think one of our problems should be, now we will get not whateep spamming in chat, but one of the problems should be actually fixed now. Now when it goes to 0, it starts lowering. They go down. Let's go to 2D view. And then they will come back up. Yeah, great, great. They will come back up. I'm saying this is -5. Now only the 3, only apparently this one is the third one. It's coming back up and back up again. Now it will start again the countdown. It will get new platforms. 0 and 2, great. 0 and 2 are going down. They will go down. And when it goes back to, and they will coming back up. Okay, great. Great, 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 great. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. So let's say 20 seconds. Now what I will ask you to do is actually to try and join the game before we can control it. I will join the game. Okay, so I spawned on platform number 3. Hey Lynx, I'm making a game controlled by the Twitch chat for when the stream needs to start. So basically you need to choose one of the platforms, and in case you choose the wrong one, you die. That's basically it. Oh, you spawn. I need to perhaps lower it a little bit. Okay, so we get 3 seconds left. Let's see what platform will go down. Oh, it broke. Oh, it got 0. Okay, okay, at this point it got a 0. That's something I need to fix. I want at least 1 to go down every time. And Lynx has gone down and is not live. So now when it ends, it should be respawned on one of those that were actually safe. Okay, it seems like it's working. It seems like it's working. It seems like it locked. Wait. Okay, no, it's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Oh yeah, now both of you died again, I would say. Pogwai, of course, yeah. And now I should respawn you immediately. Okay, yeah, that's great. Nice. Nice, guys. PogChamp. Oh yeah. Lamau. Give me. Oh yeah, there is no. We can have the emote no more. As well, if there's a point system on Twitch, there is the Twitch, the channel points that I am not. I am close to unlocking because now I have 50 followers, 54 followers actually. So what I'll do is I'll get like here on the game here I will get like a scoreboard for the players that are surviving the most time. And like if you get to 10 points every 10 points every 5 points, I don't know, the bot will reward you with some channel points, and the channel points can like unlock emotes or something. I am not that good at Twitch to know what channel points do, but I think that's fun. And with the game, with the chat racing game, what is I want to make like if you win you get like 100 points. If you get second you get 50, if you get third you get 10, and if you don't lose you just don't get anything. And we may actually go like it can cost 5 coins, 10 coins to enter, and you need to I don't know that would be fun. I think that would be fun. Now let's do this. So let's add a public void move, and let's say vector3 target, and now you will be able to move. Yeah, what is the requirements to unlock channel points? Do I need to be affiliate or bigger? Because if I need that, the only thing I need to do is make sure I have streamed at least once every day of the week, and I think I missed 1 or 2, and then okay, great. Then since I reached 50 followers today, we're close to that. We're actually really close to that. I need to check what days I need to stream. So target, let's go stop all coroutines, stop all coroutines, and start coroutine, move coroutine, target, private void move coroutine, target, and this needs to be a vector3 yield return null. Before we actually implement this, let's go to game manager and let's go to here, public bool, well not here, let's go down here, public bool set player target, and int, well, string player int platform index. So we'll do if the I guess we don't care. Let's go player p. Okay, if player transforms is called dot contains key player. So if the player is actually in the game, what we'll do is go and say player transform vector3 point, and we'll say platforms dot platform index add platform index dot get random point on platform, and we'll say player dot move so player transforms dot move point. Why does this not work? Cannot convert from void to string. Why does this not work? Let me do like this. Let me close this. Let me see what the Unity console says. This is the problem. This is actually the problem. What is happening? You need stream frequency and some average viewers. Yeah, I got the average viewers, I think. And stream frequency, I need to have streamed at least once every day of the week. It should work. Why does this not work? Oh, I know. Private enumerator. Okay, yeah, okay, sorry. Let's change this name. Dot. And why does it not contain public void move? Dude, player transforms. Player dot move point. Okay, we are back on track. And this is a void actually. And at this point, we'll go to the Twitch controller, scripts, Twitch chat scripts, chatbot manager, and we'll go to private void client on. Let me go this client dot on chat mess on message received plus equals client underscore on message received client underscore on message received, and this wants an object that is the sender and the on message received argument e. And if we say we go like switch e dot chat message dot text dot raw message no e string text equals to e dot chat message dot. What do I do to check to get text to message switch e case 1 case 2 case 3 case 4. This is the lazy way of doing this. Break game manager dot instance dot set player target. We'll go e dot chat message dot username e that int dot parse text. Oh, sorry, the text here. Okay, now we don't need to say. We just copy this coroutine here and say vector tree pos is starting position, so transform dot position, and we'll say a player speed here, public serialize field private float speed is actually 5. I will say this. Float distance is actually vector tree dot distance target pos. So if speed is equal s over t is gonna be s over v. Okay, so float duration, we're gonna have a v distance divided by player speed, plus 0.001f in case we have it set it to 0. And now let's say pause to target. Vector tree transform.position is actually gonna be vector3.lerp. We're almost done. We're almost done. I hope this works, honestly, because I'm so tired. Target. Let's just a target here. If not alive, break. Return. Let's go. If not alive, return. And let's do it behind here. Return null. Can I return a value from an iterator? Okay, so if alive. Yeah, I could fix this, but I'm actually hurrying it because I want to stop it, because in 3 minutes I will have to go. Okay, I hope everything is working, honestly. The base, we're making this prettier next time. Do we need to set anything else? Oh yeah, player speed. So prefab player. Let's set the speed as 5. We already have that. Let's try and see how it works. When you see not whateep in chat, you can hit the command join, and if I say like 1, yeah, oh yeah, I need to fix that. Sorry Titan, let's go to 3. Okay, I need to fix something with the colliders. Yeah, I totally pushed that. Pushed this, sorry. And let me check why nothing is happening. Oh, because it's 2 seconds left. And down that we moved. Oh, links. Links did not make in time. Making time. I think this is 3. This is 1. This is 0. This is 0 and this is 2. Okay, so 1. I go to 1. Let me do this. What is happening? I'm pushing around Titan so much. Let's go one large view like here, so that you can see yourself. And let me. Okay. We do not have any unsafe platforms. So let me go to 2. I will go to 2. Okay, I need to fix the rotation thing and the jittering, but the important thing is that it's working now. Okay, now we lost that. I want to see if someone dies again. 3, I go to 3 now. Bye! Ah! Okay, I need to check why Magical Jester was not dying. We all kind of died. But we also respawned here. Oh, and who got sent away? I'm kind of. Oh, you know. Titan is going to 0, but why is it not moving? Why is it not? Oh, because I need to check that. 0. If I go 0. Oh, array out of index must be non-negative and less than the size of the collection. Name index. Let me check. Oh, thread dispatcher. I don't know what that is. I will check that. Okay, it's not perfect. Yeah, I'm looking. Let's restart and looking rotation. I'd say that's a good call. Also, let me do instead of this, let me do private rigid body, our body. It works better like this. So start, our body is actually equal to get component rigid body, and let's set the our body dot position is equal to that. Okay, now we did that. Let me go to the prefab. And let's constraints freeze rotation. Okay, it should work a little bit better now. And you are coming up with another good. You're coming up with another good suggestion. Let's do that. Let's add a new layer. Oh wait, sorry, I interrupted that because you came up with a good idea. So I guess I do not really have to say sorry, but thank you. Layer, yes, change to children. Edit project settings. Let's go to physics and let's disable the player intersecting with each other. Okay. Join. Wait. Hello, everybody. Join. Titan is joined as well. And now let's see. Yo, Links is there too. We're not hitting each other. Where is the hierarchy? Oh, hierarchy is here. Yeah, it's a bit jittery again, but I will fix that, I guess. 0 and 3 are the unsafe ones. So I will now go to 1. Oh ho! You were late. Yeah, I will make the input time like 20 seconds, so you have time to actually do something. Yeah, it's my bad. Oh, sorry, 3. And Titan goes for 2. Let's see what the platform will be. Just 0. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going for 1. Hey there, Magical Jester. It's pretty simple. I will. So the things I need to do is to fix the chat, to fix the fact that it's jittery. I need to change the graphics. I need to show the scoreboard here, and I need to have the name tags face the camera so that you can see your name better. Let's go to. I join you in 3. Yeah, I will also make the names face the camera. I actually already have the code for that, so we can try and do that. Oh yeah, no, I have to go, so we don't have time to do that. Oh, sorry, Mr. Dogmatic, I just saw your message on the YouTube chat. I was just checking the Twitch chat, and we all died. I was just checking the Twitch chat. Oh, Dogmatic, you're here. Great. I was feeling so bad because I missed your message on YouTube. I'll go for 2. And at least you came here. Great. I was checking 2 chats is not like for me. If you want to join, you have to type !! join, and then you can choose your platform. I go to 0. Why did my message not go through? Oh yeah, Dogmatic 101. Why am I not moving? Oh, I can't seem to be able to get this. Yeah, I see why. Guys, you cannot join 0 and you cannot join 4 because I messed up in. Oh, haha. Titan, you should be dead by now, so I don't know why it is. I would need to check that. Oh yeah, I see why. I see why. Let me stop it. Then let's try again. Let's try again. I understand. I now know what the issue is. This needs to be not 1 2 3 4, but 0 1 2 3, and it's hilarious. Well, not like fun, but it's kind of ironic because I was complaining today with some friends that MATLAB starts with the indexing of arrays from 1 and not from 0. And I guess that if you don't code, give me a second. It's my mother saying domanda question for whateep, which is my name on WhatsApp, and says pizza, pasta, or hamburger. Hey there! Also, Super Justin. Welcome to the welcome to the stream. So yeah, you hit exclamation point. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Let me check. If pizza exclamation mark. I did not even doubt that. How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm going for 2. I'm going for 2. And you type 0 to 3 to choose your platform. And if you get caught on the platform, okay, I will add. I will next time. We'll add the graphics and the proper leaderboard. Okay, now I'm going for 1. No, I was too late. But I kinda saved myself because of the bug. Okay, you need to do when you're alive. You can jump off. Oh, exactly. Let's go to 3. Let's go to 3. It didn't let you move. Oh, I think it's because it was not the phase for moving, but I will look into that. I will look into that. Okay, the game is kind of done. I need to polish it and fix it. But honestly, I think that once we add the leaderboard and perhaps the rewards on give me a second. The rewards for those that make, like, if you get to 10 points, you get 50 channel points. I think that could be a fun game to have, like, during the breaks in the stream. Oh, was too late. And I also need to add a timer for you to see at what point we are with the timer, because I can see it here. And I also kind of got it wrong. I need to say 20, not to 5, but yeah. Oh, it's my bad. My 20 seconds should be better. Gotta be super fast. Yeah, I just changed that because I kind of let it at 5 seconds, and I do realize Dogmatic, it needs to be 0 to 3. I can do, yeah, I need to, yeah, floating lava is because I'm changing the position of the rigid body, so it ignores gravity. I should do 1 to 4, 1 to 4, and then subtract 1, not 0 to 3, because 0 to 3 is not like for humans, it's for computers. What's my last one? I go to 3 now. Okay, I guess we kind of got it done. I worked a bit slow. Oh, we've been live for 3 hours. That's crazy. Okay, guys, both on YouTube, if there's anyone watching there. We have 2 viewers. Yeah, the YouTube stream. I think I'm ending the YouTube stream first. So thank you for watching. I will not show this into the unlisted videos because I kind of messed it up. So you will not be able to see the stream on YouTube, but you will be able to see it on the second channel once I edited it and removed the parts where I show my codes. So this said, the stream on YouTube is gonna end up in 3, 2, 1. See ya. End stream on YouTube. Yeah, great. And did I get 11 new subscribers from this stream? I will need to check. It's crazy. Wait, give me a second, because it says that I gained 11 subscribers from this stream. What the fuck? How is that possible? Wow, that's kind of poggers, if I can't say so myself. Also, I hear that Dogmatic11 is following on Twitch. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. Okay, nice. I like this. And okay, yeah, the jittering is very annoying, but I will fix that. I will fix that next stream, and from every stream after that, like every stream after that, I think I won't just have. I might have the countdown for here, here, here. Like here, I can have a countdown for how much time left till the beginning of the stream. So yeah, let me fix that before I forget. Was correct. Like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just saying -1. So now you have 1 to 4. That seems much more natural for humans to use. It makes more sense. And so now I can use this. And if you stream and you would like, once we have better graphics, if you would like to use this in your streams for when you have like some breaks, if you are away, if you're, be right back. If you're starting, if you're ending the stream, once it's ready, hit me up, and I will let you have this. I will probably release it on itch.io. Oh wait, we have 5 seconds. Okay, I need to change that. Ah, oh, damn it. Okay, yeah, you're gonna study chemistry. You're always studying chemistry, Titan. You're always doing chemistry. And I am actually closing this because, yeah, you won. Oh, sorry, Dogmatic, sorry. I'm closing this because good things come to an end, guys. This has been a very, very fun stream. This has been a very long stream, honestly. I'm tired. But yeah, you were flying. I need to fix that too. Thank you for discovering that. But yeah, this has been a good stream. This has been a long stream. This has been I'd say a pretty productive stream. I will now switch to the stream over tab, and when that is, we're gonna say goodbye. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty strange. But you know what? Have a good night, everybody. Well, here is light. So have a good evening, have a good day, have a good morning, wherever you are in the world. And have a good night if you are more east than me. This said, I've been Peter. Thank you for watching all the stuff that I do in the videos. And see you next time. Thank you for joining the stream, guys. It's been fun. 3, 2, 1, bye. Wait, what? I'm still here. That was... this is like the post-credit scene. Oh, dude, you're right. Who are we rating? I totally... You know, I'm tired and I kind of forgot about that, but... Guys, great shout out to Titan Ratchet for coming up with that. So, now we will rate a streamer, any streamer that you can think of. And when we do, please say hi in chat, in their chat. And if you have time, perhaps stay a couple of minutes to show some support. If you don't, just say hi and then log off. It's kind of expected. Wait. Okay, let's open Twitch. So from the ones I follow, only Pichiko is online, but he's German. So I think he's speaking German right now, and I don't think it's the best for you if we're rating them. So you know what we'll do? We go to browse science and technology. We're going to someone who's making someone very small. Can I sort by viewers low to high? Yeah. Let's get someone who's making a game. Game development. Who should we? If you see anyone that you say, yo, it's cool, we join them. For say French, English. Let's go Unity. Can I find someone in Unity? Just because we were doing Unity. UF4, C++, Python, Godot. Me? This is me? Oh, cool. No, I'm not raiding myself. Not the Chinese one, yeah, because if the problem is... Oh, level design in Unity. We're going to raid Black Mage UK. What do you think about that? I would say Black Mage UK. And I have no idea how long does my voice last until we raid. So I will say bye now. And as soon as I hit raid, we will... I will say hi and the stream will be over. So thank you so much, everybody. And see you next time. 3, 2, 1, let's raid. Oh, I think we need still 10 seconds. And the stream is over. Transition.